Hi, Eric Gibaud, ericgibaud.com, and today I'm going to speak about this lighting accessories by Neewer, this FS150B LED light, this lantern it's called, okay? And also they sent me a V-mount battery, so you could, if you wanted, power that kind of LED light, okay? So we're going to speak about it in details. So let's start. So the LED light comes in this suitcase, bag, I don't know how you call it, really well protected with everything. When you remove this, you have a cap also. So really perfect, no problem. And then the lantern, I call that lantern, okay, yes, comes with a transport bag, also well protected. I'll show you after how you mount it. It's not that complicated. But yeah, I really love it. Okay, so let's get into technical details. There is not much to speak about a lamp, maybe power, a few technical side, and the special effects it has, but that's it, okay? So let's carry on. So beware that the name is misleading. It's not 150 watts, but 130 watts, okay? B for bicolor, it means it's white, but from really warm to a lot cooler, okay? And it gives 72,000 lux at 1 meter. Thank you, Neewer, for being honest. Many brands, they tell you the lux, the amount of light you get at 50 centimeter, which is 4 times more than at 1 meter. Okay, so they were honest, you should know about at 1 meter, so 72,000 lux. The color index, CRI, is 97 plus, which is, yeah, perfect. From 95 on, quality of the color is correct, okay? The TLCI 98 plus, so 98 plus, which is also good. And then you can there's a special PWM dimming technology. So it means when you're going to dim the light, it does it in different ways, okay? Yeah, I'm not an expert in this, but they have this feature. The color temperature goes from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, which is from warm to cool. It's not really high, but that's fine, that's okay for what we do most of the time, okay? And also, so now I show you when I'm doing, so you see close up, when I touch the buttons, change the power, change the color temperatures, and then you see the effects, okay? They have 12 effects because this kind of lamp is used for video most of the time. And people, they want to recreate some ambience that could be like a lightning or a paparazzi making pictures or a defective bulb or some explosion or someone welding or well, many things like candle lighting or TV lighting, like if you were watching TV, all this. So many brands do that kind of effects. So I don't use them, but if you need them, they are there, okay? So that's good. There is also something that I see for the first time on that kind of lamp. I think it's fun. It's the effect that goes with music. So I'm not a good singer, I'm not a good whistler either, so but I'll show you anyway. Ba 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 ba. And as you can see, light is changing on the rhythm of what I'm doing. So if you want to recreate a disco ambient, well, you could do it like the light is flashing at the same rhythm as the music. Okay, that's funny, I think. There are two ways of powering this lamp. One is using the wired to the wall, the electric socket appliance, and then going from the transformer, from this power supply to the lamp. Okay, one thing. This is not the first time I see this problem. I see it on most of LED lights. This cord on the from the power supply to the lamp is too short. Now it's really low because I'm sitting, but if I had it like 2 meters high, the power supply would be hanging along the stand. Okay, so I don't like that. The other side is long enough, so I don't know, maybe it's more expensive this cable than this one, so they put always too short. All brands do that. So yeah, I don't know why they don't put 3 meters or even more on this side and also 3 meters on the other side. I think that would be more logical, because most of the time you will have the power supply hanging from along the stand. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, there is another way of powering this lamp, is using what they actually sent me, V-mount battery here. Okay, this is a 99 watts. It exists in with more watts, but I don't recommend it. Why? Because up to 99 watts you can use it, you can travel with it on a plane. Over this it's not possible, so it's always better to use 99 watts unless you're sure to never board a plane with that. Okay, so to use this you need a special adapter, a V-mount plate to supply power to the lamp. They didn't send it to me, so I cannot show you. Okay, I've got for other that I use for recording video, but I didn't put it on this. Okay, so if you know you will not be connected to general power, get that kind of battery, get the optional adapter, and you can supply power to your lamp. Okay, I know some people will think they can do that with any lamp. No, not all LED lights accept to have this way of supplying power. Okay, so it's good that optionally you can have it. Okay, especially if you go to record outdoor in an abandoned place or far away from a power socket or whatever. Okay, so that's really good. One thing I really love about this is Neewer has a really good app to manage all the lights. Actually, I use also 2 panels I reviewed a couple of years ago. I'll leave you the link here, and you can manage them from the app on your phone or in your tablet, and this one also. So that's really practical. You don't have to stand and go and touch the buttons, all this. Without moving, you can remotely control your lamp, whether the effects, whether the amount of light, the color temperature, all this. So I really love this. Actually, the sound effect, music effect, I used the app for that. Okay, so really practical. If we look at the size, 1.7 kilos. Is it a lot? Well, I think it's more or less what everyone are doing with this kind of power. Okay, and the size with that reflector is 20 centimeters long, 13 centimeters wide, and 12 centimeters high. With this, yeah, it's within the usual size for that kind of light. Okay, so who is that light for? Well, really normally you use that for video, because LED light does not, well, LED light and continuous light in general does not freeze the action. So you need a lot of power to be able to use a shutter speed high enough to freeze the action. So normally you don't use LED lights or continuous lights for that, use a flash. Okay, so these kind of lights are really thought for videos or for static photography, like product photography or still photography. That would be fine. Okay, but take this into account. If you want this for action or even fashion photography, someone who's moving, that's no good. Don't use that, use a flash. Okay, but for video, this is perfect. This is really good. Okay, so the quality is fine. I don't have much to say about it, because as long as it works, that's fine. Easy to use, easy to manage. Color was fine, no complaint, so that was good. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a bit more about this modifier called a lantern. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So here's the lantern. It comes like this. I need to open it. To open it, you put it on the floor. Well, I'm going to put it on the sofa so you see. Okay, you just push down. Okay, and there's a hook in there. Up. And that's it. Okay, So now it's done, okay? How do you use that? Well, you actually mount it on your LED lights, okay, on the bar one mount. That's it. But the big difference with other modifiers is actually you don't use it horizontally, you use it vertically, okay? That will be on top of what you want to light, okay? Here I've got a boom like this, but more for flashes. That doesn't fit here, okay? So this is why I cannot show you, but normally you use a C-stand with a boom, okay? And you have it on top of your head like this. What is that for? It's to give really natural light. You could light the whole place. That looks like, yeah, a real bulb at the ceiling, and that is lighting the whole place. But sometimes you want to control the way it lights. So for that, there is this. I don't know how you call that. I call that some kind of skirt, okay? So you could actually put it around here, because let's say I want light to come towards my subject, but I don't want it to go towards the camera. So, well, actually two pieces, okay? I could separate one, okay? So this way, like this, light would come towards me, but not towards the other part, okay? Or you can actually put it completely around if you want, okay? Let's say, so I close it here, it goes on top of my head like this, okay? Really higher, okay? Light will come on me, but will not light the wall behind me, will not light towards the camera, and give a really special lighting effect. Let's say someone is in a staircase looking at the top, okay? And you want to give this sensation that there is light coming from the top, but it doesn't spill on the side. You would do it this way, okay? But this is something I really wanted to have, to show in a project I have, okay? And this is something that is really special for anyone who wants to recreate some kind of natural lighting, like in a room, partial lighting, or the kind of lighting you could get from a real house lighting, okay? Or some special effect, or you have Space Invaders that comes and you see light coming from the saucer or whatever, okay? This is the idea. So this is easy to mount, okay? And quality is really good. And hopefully I will show you some more demo. Or you will see picture I make with this. You can use it for video, obviously also for photography if you put a flash in there instead of a LED light or whatever, okay? But really a great accessory in my opinion. So let's speak a bit about the battery. I really like it because you have a screen here. Don't see it, but well, doesn't really matter. It gives you the voltage and also the amount of battery you still have, but with a percentage, not just a small drawing, okay? So I like that. And also on each supply, you have a connector here. It gives you the consumption you're getting on 8 volt, 12 volt, USB A, USB C, okay? What I like about it is you can actually charge it with the USB-C without any problem. There are some batteries like this, you need to have a V-mount plate to be able to charge it, and this one you can connect directly to charge it. Here you have 8 and 12 volts. Here on the side you have USB-C, USB-A, and really good. Here you have D-tape, which is a standard for professional video gear and accessories. So that's really good. I really like it, really good. So let's speak about the rest of the product. Honestly, the build quality is good. The results were good. Light is getting, what it promises, you get it, okay? So that's fine for me. And the lantern, I really love the build, the quality, the fabrics was really nice, is really nice. So you will see it in some of my projects, obviously, and some YouTube video I record, definitely when I get the horizontal boom, okay? So yeah, for me, this product are completely recommendable. When we speak about photography, very often with one flash unit, you can manage, but when we speak about video, we always need several lights. And I like that Neewer, they have several options. You can combine them, manage them all from the app. I really like it. So for me, really completely recommend all these three products. So if you're interested, I'll leave you links in the description where you can buy them, okay? So thank you so much, Neewer, for sending me this gear. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Small button down here, so small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Also leave you links of my gear on Amazon, links of everything I've reviewed by K&F Concept, Sandmarc, and Flashes by Westcott. More affiliated links, and also a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.